Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have been using the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for about 2 weeks now, and I just want to go over my experiences with it, give y'all some things I like and dislike about the phone. But before I get into this video, check this out.
2 weeks later.
Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Like I said in the opening, I've been using the phone for about 2 weeks now, and I just want to go over my experiences and tell y'all what I like and dislike. Also update y'all on, I did the 24 hours later and then also the week later video. Did anything change? Has my experiences changed in any way? And I just want to give everyone an update. Keep it 100, be honest with my subscribers. That's what I do on my channel. Now I'm not gonna make a video every week and give y'all an update every week. This is probably be 2 weeks and then I'll probably wait for a month. No, I'm not returning it, even though the 21 days are coming up. Not gonna return the phone at any chance. All right, so let's jump into it. I don't want to make the video too long. First thing I want to talk about is this display here. The 7.6 inch screen, man, it's so cool. You go from this to this, like in a second. You can't tell me that screen is not cool. That screen is gorgeous. It's so much fun. It's so cool to do. And I just love that wallpaper, by the way, too. But that 7.6 inch screen, 120 hertz refresh rate, everything's snappy, quick. You just don't get that on a regular phone like this. You just don't. It's so cool. So number one, yes, this display is definitely something I'm enjoying, at least the inner display. Now, something that did change from week 1 to now is the battery life. I have been getting great battery life on this device. I've been getting over probably 5 to 6 hours of screen on time, and it's been lasting about 18 to 19 hours off the charge. I can take it off the charge at like 5 o'clock in the morning and still have pretty decent battery life. So right now it's at 50%. I don't know what my screen on time is. Let's check that out. It may be low today because I worked all day long, but let's see. So right now it's been off the charge for about 13 hours and 2 hours in screen on time. So if it lasts what I said, that would probably be about almost 5 hours of screen on time. So it's a little bit below what I've been averaging, but it's not bad overall, at least to me, compared to what I was getting on week 1. Now I did make some changes to the device. I'll probably come back with a tip video to show y'all what I did to get better battery life. No, I did not disable anything on the phone, just made one change, 2 changes that I want to go over in a later video. All right, I'm gonna put this on here. Just look at that screensaver. So the third thing I want to talk about is overall use as a phone. This phone works great as a phone. I mean, I can text great, I can answer phones, speakerphone is pretty loud. So it does everything that you expect the phone to do, and it does it really good. So if you're looking for a phone to be a phone, this is a good choice for you. Now, again, the overall design is just so cool. The folding just changes everything for you. Look at it. I mean, it's just beautiful. Just be able to do this again. I mean, come on. It changes everything for you. I'm telling you this now. I never thought of it before, but it changes everything. The design is great. The weight, I know the Fold 2 was heavier. This one is still a little bit heavy, but not too bad. Coming from like the V60 with the dual screen, the Velvet, I thought those were pretty cool phones, but this phone here will change your life. I'm just saying. From this to that will change your life. So the overall design is amazing. I love the speakers up there too. The speakers sound great. The dual speakers. No problems with that either. So overall, it's a great phone. The next thing I want to talk about is just the pen. To have pen support on here is great. I mean, it actually works out great too. You can do screen notes on here. You can do typing. I mean, just anything that you want on here. the pen is great. It's a great thing to have the feature on here. If you want to doodle, you can actually doodle too and just have some fun with the pen. It just makes it the overall package of a phone. I mean, I know people love the Note, and this gives you the Note with a super size display. So overall, again, this full package here is great. Another thing I want to talk about is the cameras. Can they be better? Yes, but for what you get, they're pretty good. Y'all can check out my comparisons. I did a bunch of comparisons with this phone. I did some 4K shootouts, and the rear cameras definitely, the video looks great. The photos look really good. Where it struggles at is that in the display camera there, the under the display camera. Yes, it does struggle, but it's, I mean, you can have that camera there, so I mean, it's not that big of a deal. And you can actually take a selfie with using the rear camera, which I showed in my tip and trick video. Y'all can check that out too. So the cameras is another thing I'm enjoying. Now, does it take photos like the Pixel? No, it does definitely do video pretty well. I mean, really well. Is it missing 8K? Yes. Don't know why it doesn't have 8K on there. And it doesn't overheat either, but 4K at 60, 4K at 30, great 1080p. Great videos. Can they improve it too? Yes, they can definitely improve it too. But overall, those are the things I'm really enjoying about the phone. Man, y'all let me know if you have it, what features or what other things that y'all enjoyed about the phone. So let's get into some things that are still a pain, still like a little hiccup, I should say, and something that I don't like about the phone. I've been saying this since my first 24 hours. It is this front screen. To me, it's still skinny. I am getting used to it. I am using it more. I do type emails out on here, reply with messages, even use some apps like Telegram and Twitter on here. So I'm using the front screen more. Could it be wider? Just about a ½ an inch or 3/4 of an inch wider. That would make a big difference. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Yes, it's skinny. Shout out to everyone that told me to recommend it, Gboard. It definitely works better than the Samsung keyboard, but still, I wish it was just a little bit wider, y'all. I really do. I can't get past it. But again, not returning the phone because of the front display. I'm sorry. The next thing, I have talked about it too, is that crease. You can actually feel it. It's there. Do you recognize it every time you use the phone? No, you really don't. Look, right there, you barely can see it stuff up there. When you're watching YouTube videos, do you forget about it? 99% of the time, yes, you will forget about the crease in that phone. But it's still there. It's not going anywhere. Have to bring it up. Again, I'm not going to return the phone because of it. It's just there. Get used to it. It is what it is. All right, so one of the other things that I wish happened on this phone, and I mentioned in my other videos, is the pen. I wish they had it in the phone some kind of way. You have to carry this pen around, especially if you want to use it. It works great. It's fun, like I mentioned earlier. It's a great feature to have, especially if you like the Note devices. But where do you put it? You know, you have to come up with crazy ideas like this. You can make a video like that. You can make a case like that, or you can spend the $80 to get the pen and the leather case from Samsung, which nobody's enjoying. But you can get a case like this. You can make that yourself. Check out that video also. So yes, if the pen was in there, I would definitely like it a little bit more. But again, I like to say this, it is what it is. So overall, the pen placement would be better if it was in the phone. A lot of people have mentioned that too, why they didn't include it in the phone. The phone is so small and skinny, it's hard to fit it in there. Again, I'm not an engineer, but hopefully they figure a way to actually put it in there without carrying the pen around. The overall experience with the phone, it is great. I'm enjoying it. Again, it's going to be hard to go back to a regular phone. Shout out to the S21 Ultra. It would be hard to go back to these regular slab phones. Shout out to the OnePlus 9 Pro. I don't know how it would be to go back to a phone like that. Once you get your hands on this device, I don't know how you can not enjoy it. This phone is amazing. I probably will pick this phone as my phone of the year. That's why I'm gonna go out on the limb. Maybe the Pixel 6 Pro too, but overall, my experience with the phone for the last 2 weeks has been amazing. If you're thinking about picking it up, do your homework, do your research, pick it up and try it out. I don't think you will be disappointed. But y'all let me know if you have it, if you're enjoying it, if you don't have it, or you plan on picking it up. Let's get a conversation going. Again, I love having conversations with everyone in the comment section. I will try to answer everybody's questions or reply to everybody's comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.